My topic was online education, ban or boom. So, starting with the online education, the first topic is during this coronavirus time and pandemic, the education system drastically changes from the traditional to the online platform. And due to this online education, many of us has also faced some problem. But the online education has some advantages also and some disadvantages also. So by one, we are getting to know what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages. Now, first challenges of online education, starting with lack of face-to-face interaction, which is crucial in the traditional education system, where a student faces the teacher and even a minor error is being pointed out by the teacher, which is a complete lack in the online education system, where the teacher and the student lack this opportunity of face-to-face interaction, though this is the biggest challenge which is being faced in the online education system. The second one is discipline, which we have also faced. While in the classroom, a teacher can handle a group of 50 students, but in the online education system, it's hard for the teacher. Even if the teacher is very technical savvy, he is facing very hard time in getting the attention of the students, getting the students to study hard and to get the discipline of entire student attentions. So this is one of the main drawback if we see in the online education system, and this can be improved, which will be seen in the next slide. Increased dropout rate. This has been observed in many countries where the internet is a big problem. Like in a country where the internet connection is very slow and financial problem faces by the student, they cannot purchase laptop or mobile phone. So such type of students generally get dropout from the education system. They do not study on the online platform just due to the fact, like in India only, if we talk about India, many villages have lack of 3G connection, laptop, mobile phone, etc., Android phone. So the student, what they do generally, they drop out from the education system and they don't get the opportunity for the education systems. Now, challenges in technology, like we have said, in the online education system, we have also seen the Zoom, the Google, and many others. They have been given a platform for the online education. But we were facing many problems, like in the technology, we were not aware about the tools that has been given in the app. We were also not aware about how to use the tools in teaching the student, and we also lacked something which a teacher, because the online education is very new to us, we also sometimes feel that such type of technology cannot help a teacher to explain a topic to a student like we can do easily in the traditional mode. So this technology part is also a very challenging part. But apart from these all advantages, there are many advantages also, like time, money, location, access, networking, learning outcomes, many things. Like first of all, flexible system. Online education is flexible. How? Anyone? How it is flexible?
You can change your timing, you can change
Excellent.
We can take class anywhere.
We can take class anywhere also, very good.
your
It saves time and neither the place nor the time matters.
so anyone with your classroom.
Excellent. So online system is flexible system, which is a drawback in the traditional, because in the traditional classroom there is a fixed routine. We have the duration of each classes and we have to follow that routine again and again every day. But in the online education system, a student can study whenever, whatever they want and wherever they want. Next, wider choice of subject and courses. This is a boon for plus 2 students and for higher education system. Like in some school for plus 2 students, we are offering science, bio, physics, chemistry, maths, physical education, music, computer, etc., etc. But in the online mode, a student can choose whichever course they want to do and from wherever they want to do. Like, if I want to pursue a degree in diploma from some university, I can easily do online. And it's the same, I can do another degree from some another university from the entire world. So this is one of the biggest advantages of online education system, where we get a wider choice of subject and courses. No language. In this mode, Generally, few of the students who have this learning disabilities, like they cannot understand English and they prefer to learn the subject in their mother tongue. In online education system, this can be achieved very easily. A student can go for the mother tongue, like in YouTube. If you find some videos on some topic, you can find that video in entire language, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, English, etc. Whatever language you like, you can just download the video and you can take the tool of this video and you can learn many things. But in the traditional course, this language may be a barrier, but not entirely, because English and Hindi is common. But this topic is related to a very small group of the students, those who cannot understand English. East to SS. How can online education is east to SS for the
Just
student?
one touch and
Just one touch. And
you are in your classroom.
like what I am doing right now.
Yeah, just
And this can be done online also. During last year, we were teaching the student while being at home with just one touch on the Zoom platform, just by clicking to start the class, and yeah, we were connected to all the students. So, online classroom, yes, it is east to SS also. But the question is, do students really benefit from online learning? Yes or no?
no.
No. Anyone else?
See, I can say yes because if you are showing videos to children, they are learning more with visualization rather than the traditional.
Okay.
That is a rote learning. And when you show videos, they learn more.
So from your aspect,
It's
it's
a
yes.
yes, yes.
Good thing.
Not 100%.
Not 100%.
Nothing
But
is 100%.
no, partially no. Why partially no?
Everything has
Partially no,
impact.
because a result we are seeing nowadays, like in the class we can see the result. The students are not learning a thing.
Exactly.
Excellent. Anyone from this side? Yes or no?
It depends on the student that who is taking interest in studies.
So whether it's yes or no.
It can be-
Considering the mindset of the Indian parents, the Indian society and the Indian culture, the Indian students, it is going to be taking a very long time before online becomes acceptable.
Yes.
Actually, it's perfect because the answer is partially yes.
So they are right.
It's partially yes because as Rajiv sir also said and you also mentioned, sir also mentioned, it's good for those who are in discipline. The student and the family supports the online education system and the students are more focused on the education. For them, online education is really a boon. But it has some drawback also. Like we cannot control the student. If they want to just ignore the classes, they can ignore. We cannot do anything from the home by sitting here and taking the online classes. Second, online education brings a cutoff between the culture and cuisine that a student interact with many of us during the class hour. This can be done only in the traditional classroom only, not in the online or virtual classroom. Because in the traditional classroom, the students meet each other, they visit some places, they can learn the culture and the caste system of any places, whatever they like. But in the online, this is a limitation, a biggest limitation. So we can say online education is of course a supplement with traditional education system. We can just implement online education, but not 100%. That's why it's written. It can be a supplement, but it cannot be a replacement. Traditional education system cannot be replaced at all. Traditional education system must be there with a part of this traditional system has to be taken to another level, which is the online education platform. And hence, and last, progress is impossible without change, and those who cannot change their mind cannot change anything. That's a very nice line. Actually, online education system was really very tough task for everyone. But we have to know each and every aspect of online education, learning the technical tools, because God knows in the coming year what is going to happen. So we have to impose ourselves with all the changes. We cannot just ignore the changes and we can say that we are going with the traditional education system. We have to implement online education system, and this can only be achieved if a teacher and the student are both working hard, learning the technical tools, trying to understand the topic and coming together on the virtual platform. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can take some questions. A very nice presentation on the online versus offline, but we are generally talking of online in collaboration with offline, which is called hybridization.
Yes, sir.
Now my question is, do you feel that when online itself was not successful in India, considering the heterogeneity of the Indian subcontinent, this hybridization is going to be successful?
So hybridization, yeah, hybrid education can be a success, but not in the current year scenario. It will take some time because our teachers, we are not familiar with online platforms and we are very not technical savvy. We cannot operate many of the apps. Like if I give an example of Zoom app only, there was some hidden features that we were not aware of, and the student misused those technology to just hinder the classroom activities. So first of all, we have to learn the basic things. Then only we can progress with the hybrid, where the traditional and the online education, they both can be put forward in the same way. But not for this current scenario, we cannot just move with the hybrid because it will bring a lot of problem, and student won't be learning anything from this approach.
Participants are free to ask questions because we are still having some time.
Easy questions, please.
Some questions.
Any question like what is online education?
Send on a video.
So this is a seminar. This need not to be mentioned like serious seminar. We can enjoy the seminar. Is that it?
My question is that, sir,
Yes, sir.
how to check attendance
Ah,
of the participating students in the online classes?
excellent question, sir. Sir, there are many ways. Like you can share the Google form. First of all. Second, if we buy the premium version of Zoom, they already provide the attendance list. You do not have to share anything. As the student login, their attendance information there, and there are lot many apps like Teachmate. Teachmate also provides the attendance sheet and with monthly report. So at this time, you are having many apps like one more is Vion and one is Teachmate. Both are free apps that can be used by the teacher, and the attendance is taken automatically by the app, not by the teachers. So this can be.
Can we give the assignments also?
Sir. You can upload the assignment, you can take online test. There are many MCQ type questions. You have to just click the number of question, number of marks, and the app is going to generate the MCQ type question and will forward to all the students there.
Vijan, can you have a quick survey on the 40 teachers that we are over here? Like last 1 year we had been into the online system. How many of us really enjoyed? How many of us as teachers enjoyed online teaching?
So this question is for all you. How many of you
You
enjoyed?
can start from the extreme left.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, did you enjoy online?
हाँ सर मतलब ये करके पढ़ा सकते हैं
मजा आया?
हाँ हाँ
Thank you, मैम.
I have not
बैठिए
taken
मैम.
online
मैम
classes.
बैठिए आंसर दीजिए प्लीज.
I have not taken online classes.
ये नहीं
अच्छा जी. मैम, enjoy? No. Why? What was the problem?
It was my first job, and when I came this school, and suddenly I was like, it was so confusing for me.
Okay. And if you are asked to take the online classes now, then,
Then it will be a quite easy.
ma'am, you haven't taken.
Can I
You
last
enjoyed.
one? Last one.
You enjoyed.
Yeah, I'll say, but last at the last.
Khurram sir,
जी
online classes.
सर लिया ना, शुरुआत में बड़ी परेशानी हुई थी, बाद में फिर थोड़ा फैमिलियर हो गए तो अच्छे से लेने लगे.
Shinmay sir, same.
I enjoyed it, but I need some help. If any technical changes comes, then people like you, please help us so that we can handle
We are
the.
always there, sir.
हाँ.
Suman sir. No problem. Now sir, no problem. Sir,
I was not taking any classes in the online, but I was into the online administration. And honestly speaking, I learnt a lot from the younger lot. I also did not know many of the gimmicks of online education. I learnt a lot from the junior teachers over here, as also my daughter. And I enjoyed online administration.
sir,
Yes, enjoy, no problem.
So I enjoyed a lot.
How many of you enjoyed a lot more interaction? Most of you.
Now I can speak.
You know, and now, who do not like to take online classes, please raise your hand. Anyone? Why
If I
ma'am, what
get
the
the chance,
problem?
no, if I get the chance, I can take online classes,
Ah.
but not always. Because it can't finish the syllabus in time. Some students take interest and some don't. Some sometimes disturb also. So it can't be that accurate that the replacement projects that is the classes.
Thank you. Kriti ma'am, what was the
I did
problem?
not enjoy because of unhealthy interaction between the teachers and the students. Sometimes because of the poor network, sometimes because of some technical issue. So the healthy interaction between the student and the teacher was not there.
So if the network improves and you are having a good technology,
that
then
is not all the time possible. Most
no,
of the time it is-
if the because the technology is advancing per day, per second, per hour, whatever you say. So if the technology is here in the school campus with 5G technology and the smart class, then
depending upon the student,
Huh?
depending on the other side also. If they interact in a better way, then I will enjoy. But since we are in India and we will need some time to accommodate among
Sure.
in all these things.
thank you.
You're forgetting something.
What? Harsha ma'am, please. Please.
I'm on video, right?
Hi, you are on
Yeah,
video.
so-
You can stand up so that you know.
Okay, see, according to me, online education was good. See, like every coin has a good side and a bad side. So you cannot pinpoint something as bad because online education has a good side. It has taught a lot of things. Nobody was aware of this pandemic. Even I was not aware. If you're asking me, so according to me, I had no idea that I could do so much of things related to technology, right? So when I started doing it, then I realized I could do it. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. The only thing is, it is good, and the bad side was network, but we can ignore that fact because you know everything has bad. Even if you're doing a traditional classroom, there will be bad side. Might be students are absent, so you have to continue the same lesson, right? So yeah, it's both for me, good and bad, but the good is more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very holistic approach of Harsha.
Thank you.